Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akib and I am a freelance web developer. So in today's video, we will see how to sync your WooCommerce or Shopify products with the meta catalog. So first thing is first, we have to install WooCommerce PHP SDK. You can go on Google, search PHP WooCommerce PHP SDK and you will get this first link. Click on this link and you will get a composer command, this. So by using this command you can install. I have already installed everything. Okay, so this is first thing. The second thing is go to your business meta account, click on all tools, then go in e-commerce. So here you can select your associate account, then scroll down and click on this plus icon and create a catalog. So we need that catalog ID. Okay, so let's say our catalog is coding. This is our catalog name. Next. All right, now we can skip this. Next, and skip for now. So basically we need a category ID, catalog ID. All right. So now you see the catalog ID here on the top in URL. We will copy this ID. Basically, we will sync these products with our meta catalog. So let me go back on my code. So here is my code. I have already installed WooCommerce SDK. After that, we have to configure that SDK by providing our consumer secret and consumer key. So how you can get these information? Go to your WP store, then go to WooCommerce, go to settings. All right, now go to advanced. Click on REST API. Okay, so by clicking on add key, you can generate those keys. Okay, now go back in the code. Now we need, this is our meta catalog ID. So we will paste it here. Remember, we have copied this ID from the URL. Now we need a meta access token. So this is temporary token. Let's generate a temporary token again. Go here. Go to developer.facebook.com and explore tools. Okay, now here we can generate our temporary token for now. So before generating the temporary token, give this permission: catalog business management, these are permissions. Okay, now click on generate access token. Okay, now it will update the token. Now copy this token, go back and paste it here. All right. Now this is the function I have created for fetching the products from the WooCommerce actually. So it will fetch 100 products per page. Okay. You see here I am configuring the WooCommerce keys. After that there is products. How many products do we need per page? Like 100 products. Just remember these this function will return us a product list. Okay, now after that there is another function I have. This function is preparing those products in the meta structure, like how the meta accepting that product. So we need to convert those products structured into meta catalog structure. So for that, we once we are first, if you are submitting the product first time, then the method will be create. Okay, if you are updating the catalog, then you have to choose a method update. Okay, retailer ID must be the unique ID, either product SKU or product ID. That's totally depend on you. Then name of the product, price, currency availability. You can add more options. You can see these settings in the Meta APIs in product item. Okay, this function will return as a JSON encoded string. After that, this is a function that is actually uploading, or you can select syncing our WooCommerce products with the Meta. So here, this is a function where I will pass Meta catalog ID, access token, and the products. So what this function will do is basically it will send a curl request on this URL. So here we need to pass, and we will upload the products in a batch, not one by one. Okay. So here we are encoding the data access token. Item type should be product item, and the request should be the Meta products that we are getting from this function. Okay. After that, send this request, and the response will save in this. Here. This function is fetching the products from the WooCommerce. Then we are passing these product data to this function, and this function returning us a JSON format for the Meta. Then we are passing this function to the last function, that is uploading or syncing product with our Meta catalog. Now let's run this code. Before going that, let's see in our Meta. So right now you see there is no item for this peak coding collection. Okay. Now go back here. Now let's run our code and see. Alright, so you can see now if we go back and refresh this URL, we should get those products in the Meta catalog. Now let's click on all items. So you can see items are there. Now if you want to update the product information, let's say you want to update this product information, how you can do that? You have to choose update method instead of create method. So we can do that here. So once you want to update the product, you want to use a update method. Okay. Now let's say instead of this currency, we want to use a USD currency. Let's see if it works. Now go back and refresh the URL. Alright. Now basically this gives us a unique ID. We can check the progress of our request, but for now we don't need that. Let's go back and refresh this URL. You see here now the price is in USD. So I hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.